Okay, this is like a pet peeve. Okay, okay. I don't know why with DBSK and stuff merchandise they say postcards, but this isn't a postcard. Okay, this I wouldn't send anyone this. I wouldn't write a letter and be like, hey, yeah, JYJ postcard. No, I would not. I mean, look at the back, it's blank. It doesn't say where to put the stuff. I mean, even if it did, I wouldn't send anyone. Like, no one would get my JYJ. No, no, no one would get this in the mail. No, I wouldn't send anyone that. No one would get this. They wouldn't open their mailbox and see Junsu. No, you wouldn't. And you most certainly wouldn't open your mailbox and see this because I wouldn't send it. I'd show you a picture. I wouldn't send it because this might also all it's bigger than my face, like not my head but my face, like actually you can see my chin. That's serious business. I'm just saying.